Hi everyone, Agustin here, your wig maker here at Wigs Philippines, the original. For today's video, i-demo ko sa inyo itong suot nating 100% human hair topper in natural black with subtle gray hair. So yun, may mga gray hair tayo again. I know medyo popular ang ating gray hair. Ayan, so again, this one is a topper. Right, so syempre para simulan natin, tanggalin muna natin para makita nyo ng gusto what the hair topper looks like. So for our hair topper, meron tayong 5 clips inside, an HD lace base, and of course, ito, mga hair wefts na yan at the back. I don't usually use this snap-on clips, but I do use this transparent elastic band. And removable siya. Bakit meron pa rin tayong clips kahit meron ng ganito? Para in case na bumigay man ito, if ever nasa labas kayo, you can still use the clips and talagang maaasahan mo pa rin tong hairpiece for the rest of the event kapag nasa labas tayo. So, kailangan lagi tayong handa whatever happens. So, tara, try it on natin. So, usually yung mga ganito, if ever longer hair yung hair ninyo, pero manipis yun dito, pero enough pa yung hair sa back, this one is really good. So, usually you need to tie your hair in a ponytail. Then, suotin nyo to, lagay nyo siya sa inyong forehead. Just like this. Then, sa ilalim ng ponytail, wala may ponytail yan. Then, release nyo. Then, ito, whoop. Ayun. Then, gagamit tayo ng isang clip. So, i-adjust nyo na lang to sa hairline ninyo. Ngayon, ang baba. So, move natin. Yan, siguro ganyan, okay na. Then, yung isang clip sa back, i-clip natin sa aking hair. 1 clip is enough. The size of this is 7 inches by 7 inches. So, 1 clip lang sa back. Then, itong band lang yung nagsisecure. So, usually, if you have longer hair, yan, i-comb nyo lang siya and then pababa. And then, kadalasan, if long yung hair ninyo dito, pag ginana nyo, swing-whip nyo, or swoop nyo, ma-hide na yan, elastic. Grip na yan. Pero sa akin kahit nga ganyan, no, okay naman siya. So kahit ipit nyo sa ears. So for those of you na masyadong nang makapal yung gray hair, pwede kasing dito gray hair nyo yan. It's okay, let it show na okay may gray hair ka. Pero syempre yung dito, ang pangit kasi for others, hindi talaga nila gusto na sobrang daming gray hair. Pero yung dito sa side, if ever makita yung gray hair nyo dito, or even here at the back, okay lang. Pero for those naman na gustong, alam mo yun, to look more youthful, pero hindi naman yung sobrang effort na, grabe, lahat dark hair na. Ito, meron pa rin kayong gray hair, pero onti lang. So, most likely kung marami kayong gray hair, nandito lang siya sa baba. Or for those people naman na hindi na masyadong gustong mag-color, kasi majority talaga nagkakaroon na ng allergy, especially if medyo nasa 60s or 70s tayo na ang dami na nating gray hair. Minsan nagre-react talaga yung yung body natin sa mga hair coloran. So, para safe and effective, this product is really nice para sa inyo. So, if you're interested in getting this, you can set an appointment dito sa ating mobile number or sa ating Facebook. And just schedule your appointment and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Again, my location is located here in North Caloocan, specifically Barangay 177. So, may instruction naman kami on how you can get here. But, ayan, ganda niya. So, 1 clip lang, and itong maliit na band lang ang gamit ko, but it's super secure. Like, hindi siya matatanggal. Alright? And if ever mag-fail yung ating band, ito, may reserva naman kaming binibigay. Or, madali rin naman hanapin yung pinaka-band na to. And, also, gusto ko lang i-remind sa inyo yung warranty natin. As long as you have purchased or as long as gamit ninyo, yung hairpiece ninyo coming from me, it will still always be covered sa ating mga minor repairs. But of course, if major repair na, yan lang, medyo meron tayong additional charges. But for minor repairs, for example, lumipis na yung dito, we can definitely add more here. So, close up lang natin para makita niyo yung aking mga wrinkles. Ayan o. It looks pretty natural. And since 100% human hair siya, very soft to use. Ayun, talagang gumagalaw. Sumusunod siya sa every movement na ginagawa ko. I think that's it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. My name is Agustin. And have a great day. Bye!